Sizophuma nini abafaneni bafazi because kucacile into ubana sisezothetha sisezoxoxa. We are finding out that lo wayebhonga emtshatweni wakhe wayebhongiswa ziingcinga zokwehlisa uzipho for umntwana wamithisa ke phofu wacinga ukuba uzozimela ngoba nomfazi. Allegedly Wiseman Ncube got someone else pregnant and that is not his wife. And shocker, the wife is out here defending him and threatening the side chick. Let me not say side chick because it's clear that they are not together as per the screenshots. Maybe it was a hit and run, I don't know, but let's get into it. Hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News Ninjani. I want you to follow me because we want all the facts on the table. Wiseman Ncube's alleged baby mama says that Sisi ngicela usizo nginengane encane ezalwe ngo-August this year. Ubaba wayo ongu-Wiseman Ncube obe-actor kuzalo esibonelo uthi akahlangene yena unomfazi. Ndizamile kaningi ukukhuluma naye mayelana nengane akafuni ukuzwa lutho ngayo. Uthi yena unomfazi. Angifuni lutho lwakhe kuphela ngifuna anakekele ingane yakhe. O ayithathe ihlale kuye ke manje bayangisabisa abantu abasondelele naye including umfazi wakhe. Nginabo bonke ubufakazi. Ngimcelile kaningi ukuthi siyokwenza ama-DNA test nalokho akakuzwa. Enkantolo ngaya bathi badinga yonke information ngaye le engingakwazi ukuyithola. Ngicela owaziyo ngingasizakala kanjani angisize. Onolwazi ngikhathele ukukhuluma naye ngimcengela igazi lakhe. Makumele ngiye ka-TV or kuma-podcast ngizoya ngoba ukumyeka angeke ngimyeke. Sebengamane benze abakwenzayo njengoba bengisabisa nje. Ngiyacela ongaba nosizo angisize ngiyabonga. Ngizofaka ama-screenshot nawo umfazi wakhe ngezansi. Now the screenshots are backing up everything she is saying here. Let's quickly go through them as well. Quick. Sawubona ngikhulelwe. Watshela mina pho. Utsho ukuthini mawuthi ngatshela wena? Hawu heheni. Hayibo, uqonde ukuthini cause I'm telling you that ngipreg, meaning it's your child. Sisi wabantu nginomfazi. I don't care ukuthi unomfazi okusalayo ngikhulelwe. Njengoba ungeziba uthi ngiyenzeni mina ngengane. Sawubona sekuphele izinyanga ezintathu futhi isisu ngasigcina. Ngeke ngazi ukuthi bese ucabange ukwenze njani. Again, sawubona ngidedile nge-26 August ingane umfana. Mawudinga i-DNA akunankinga singahlangana ngase-London on 75 uyithathe ingane. Ngiyaphinda ngiyakutshela nginomfazi. So what must I do? Kill the child? Kwakumele ucabange lokho before sleeping with me. Ucabanga ukuthi ngizoyinaka ngani ingane ngingedwa. Okay, I can't see guys at the top, but I will keep reading. Don't need to do a DNA test. I'm gonna expose you on the socials, both you and nalama minions akho akuphikayo. The guy says, okay. Bukeke ngathi you've chosen your fate. Tonight I'm gonna post our conversation and uzoyenza le DNA test. Ngizoya even nasendabeni if I have to. Yona ingane yethu uzoyeka ukuthi ukuyineglect. Hey, and this guy responds, and this one is a shocker. Sabona ukuthi imida izokholwa bani between mina and a nobody. Wonke umuntu useyazi ukuthi nginomfazi kusho ukuthi wena besifebe nje esizama ukungimoshela umshado. And the girl is like, oh, is it? Guys, the way I am in disbelief, and the color on this screenshot, I feel like, is it not AI generated? Because I am really in disbelief. If you remember, Wiseman Ncube just got married now in September. The baby was born on the 26th of August, just a month before he tied the knot, meaning that the child was conceived somewhere late November 2024, the previous year. When I calculated, that is 10 months before he got married. So quit saying why did this lady or girl, it could be a young girl, we don't know at this point, because she can't raise this child alone. People are saying that why did she open her legs for a married man yena, that ulayekile becinga bana uzoshiya umfazi for yena. Guys, that man was very much single, and he acted like a single man by sleeping around in nomntu ke phofu. Wiseman ucinga bana kya actwa apha, ucinga uba kukho cameras apha. This man cheated, and married women are defending innocence. If those screenshots are legit, then he is guilty. What also pisses me off is the emphasis that he has a wife and not denying the pregnancy. I am so disappointed. Wiseman, he struck me as this chilled, laid back, innocent guy. I adored him, like seriously. Even when the wife was being attacked on the socials, that but now ngoku imbi into ayenzayo defending this man and threatening this girl. Wiseman, sudika bhuti, go do that DNA test wondle umntana wakho omenze kamandi andithi. You knew that umithisile ngoDecember uxelelwe. He could have avoided this by just being honest with his now wife, support the child and get it moving. But bafuna ubango ngesta, and yes, we are going to believe this nobody until you do the DNA. People always say there are 3 sides to every story, but with this one, I've already taken my side. If those screenshots are legitimate, they are real, then he is guilty. And that last comment really pissed me off. Like, you think that because you are this big person, the celebrity actor, no one is going to believe this girl. Like, that comment was just so cocky, and that is why we are going to talk about it. Us as bloggers, we are going to talk about you until you feel the heat. We are going to talk about the wife as well, who is acting gangster, on the next video. Make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss anything from this channel. Talk soon. Bye fam.
Umthakathi ke uyozabuyela egobela athe ngani ngangithele umuntu ngeke aphumelele. Uphumelela kanjani? Umthakathi ke uyozayo ubuza ugobela wakhe athi engani ngangithele umuntu akafe angaphumeleli. Uphila kanjani futhi uphumelela kanjani? Phela ke thina siphumeleli ngentando yomuntu kodwa siphumelela ngentando kaNkulunkulu. Umthakathi ke uyoza uchithe. Waye kade ugayele bani? Thina sibona ababantu siphethe uNkulunkulu onamandla, siphethe ubuthathu kaNkulunkulu. Ingakho izimo ihluleka ukuqeda ngathi ngoba masingene ezimeni asingeni sodwa, kodwa singena noNkulunkulu onamandla, singena nengadlangadla, singena nomafunga angajiki. Umthakathi ke bafowethu uyozabuyela egobela athi lo muntu ngangithe ngeke aphumelele, lo muntu ngangithe ngeke abe into yalutho, lo muntu ngase ngifungile ngathi soke sibone ukuthi uzophelelaphi. Asiphumelele ngentando yomuntu.
Mbetshwa Sixobana Engubo Nombengula
Guys, I just bengifuna ukusho kunina ukuthi nami ubuhle bami buyangithusa. Angibujwayeli. It's like ngiyibuka nami yabo. Kithi hayi mameshana.